Hey there everybody, Kristi B, that's me, nobody else. Today I'm going to do a bloom, just with various colors. If I know what they are, I'll shout them out. If I don't, well, we'll just guess. Alright, so I think I'm gonna start with, no, I'm gonna do blues. Start with the Grumbacher ultramarine blue. Very pretty. Put all this primary elements over the moon. A little yeller. It has pineapple crush in it, and it was a real light yellow when I started with it, so I had it sitting around and I wanted a darker yellow, and I put pineapple crush in it. So there's that. And this blue, which I think it's an Amsterdam color, but I'm not sure. We will do, I can't decide which Dusty Rose I want to do. I think this one. Just a little bit. And our cell activator. Alright, start up the blow dryer and here we go. Oh, maybe not. This on here. Okay, the blow dryer's not giving me enough control, so I'm gonna stick my face down here. Don't nobody get scared. Alright. I definitely want to come this way. That blue turned out very pretty. I guess it's the Grumbacher. Alright. Maybe we need to sit a minute. See if we develop in here. Trying my darndest not to get my rings in this. Alright, well. Ah. Hope that helps. Come on, develop. Today's just not my day. This whole year's not been my year. Alright. Gonna take it down to the spinner. Alright guys, down at the spinner. Let's spin the crap out of it. I want you to go this way. Alright. Here we go. Ow. That way hurts. Should I do it one more time? I don't think so. I'll lose all of them around there and just have this big blob in the middle. And I don't want the big blob in the middle. Alright. Let me bring you in for a close-up. Here she is. Pretty cool. Very varied colors in the cells. Of course, there's the shimmer. My paintings are never shimmerless. And that's pretty cool. They're right there in the middle. I think it's pretty good. I think that's my room. My first room. I'm probably lying. Never mind. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe, all them good things that help people out. See ya next time. Bye.